Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. In this video, I will tell you how you can connect your hosting to the Porkbun domain. So here you can see I have my domain on Porkbun and I want to connect it to the Hostinger hosting. So first of all, you will have to enter your domain name in Hostinger. For that, you can go to this drop down and click on Add Website. Here you need to select the options that you want and you can create an empty website or you can choose WordPress if you want. So enter the login details and everything that you want to enter. Click on create blank website and after entering the domain name, when you will click on next, it will add your domain to the hostinger. So here I have already added my domain name in my web hosting. So I will go to the dashboard and here you can see my domain is added, but I see domain isn't connected to the website. So to add it, I will click on check guide. Now there are two methods to connect the domain name with the hostinger. So here is the first method by changing the name server, and the second method is that you can add these area codes. So to edit the DNS, you will have to click on details, and here you will see DNS record. You can click on edit button over here. Here you will see all the DNS. So here you can see currently it was connected to Shopify. Now I want to connect it to Hostinger. So I will delete both of these DNS account. This is the Shopify store IP and then the Shopify CNAME record. So I will have to delete both of them. Now to add the new record, here we will have to add them. So first is this one. Then we have to enter the IP and then the TTL. Both are area codes. So click on add. Here you can see it is added. Now let's add the second one. Then enter the IP. And finally this TTL which is already there. So just click on add. So both of these are added, you can see. Now I will click on I have changed area code and I will click on finish. So it says it may take up to 24 hours to connect the domain to your site. We can close it. Now it can take up to 24 hours, but in most cases it just take a few minutes. So I will clear the cache. Now let's visit the website. So currently I see this error, which is mostly because of SSL. So for SSL we can go to security and SSL. So you can see it says installing. So once it's installed and the propagation is completed, which can take a few minutes or up to 24 hours, then the website will start working. It's been a few minutes and here you can see the website is already working, just that the SSL is still being installed. So that's how you can point your Porkbun domain to Hostinger. If you need any help, do let me know in the comment section. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.